In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an event name in Calendly. If you're using Calendly for scheduling and you need to update the name of an event, don't worry. It's a straightforward process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin on the Calendly homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your scheduled events. Now, take a moment to find the specific event for which you want to change the name. This is important because having the event selected will allow you to make the changes you need. Once you've located the event, the next action is to select it, which is typically done by clicking on it. You'll notice a gear icon appear. This is your tool for making modifications. Clicking this gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Don't let the options overwhelm you. Simply look for and select the Edit option. When you click on Edit, a new panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. It's designed to be user-friendly, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Within this pop-up panel, you'll find various options related to your event. One of these will be the event name. Simply click into the field to modify it. Here, you have the freedom to rename your event to better suit its purpose or provide a clearer description to your attendees. Ensure the new name is concise yet informative, as this can enhance the meeting's clarity for your invitees. Once you've entered the new name, don't forget to review your changes before saving. It's a good practice to double-check for any typos or errors. When you're satisfied with the new event name, you'll see a Save Changes button at the bottom of the panel. Clicking this button finalizes the process, ensuring all participants see the updated event name. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of an event in Calendly. This quick and simple adjustment can make a significant difference in how you and your attendees perceive and prepare for the meeting. Remember, keeping information up to date is key to effective scheduling and communication. If you have any further adjustments or need to make other edits, you can navigate back using the same steps and refine any details as necessary. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide on changing an event name in Calendly helpful.